A nor'easter blew up the East Coast, and now New York is buried under 19 inches of Satan's cocaine. That reminds me, I gotta punch my freaking Blizzard card. There you go. Alrighty, and... Ooh, X5. You get a free one. But the big story is that last night's storm featured a rarely seen weather phenomenon known as thunder snow.
Easy now.
Don't want to be sneezing today.
Just like a regular three-way, it feels unnatural and makes the dog hide. Of course, charter members of the Colbert Nation know all about thunder snow because I've warned you about it before. Thunder snow. All of a sudden, there's something called thunder snow. Oh, God, it's pissed all right.
Here, show you want some pepper?
26,
No.
2006.
No.
Exactly.
He's gonna blow!
Explanation for this pattern. Clearly, I control the